We are off. We've left the boat works behind us and we're making our way. I think we'll just go to the pub today. Don't go too far, don't go too hard. The boat's running lovely, so we're all good. It's about 3 hours of motoring today. Probably all really shallow. The most shallow bit is at Jacob's Well, I think, at about 4 o'clock. Let's go. It's a cold start this morning. It's like 12 degrees or something crazy. We're just rushing because we had a bit of a sleep in. It's like 20 past 7 now and we've got to get over the shoals. It's in about 2 miles. So we'll get over the shoals and then we'll slow down a bit and we'll go to Peel Island. Coming up on the shoals. I think I'm just going to follow this yacht. If they don't ground, we won't ground. Lovely job. Peel Island for the night. Maybe we'll see a dugong. Today we're in Moreton Bay. We were tempted to go to Tangalooma, which is over there, but I think we're going to run out of time. So we're just going straight to Scarborough. We're doing jib and jigger, which is just the head sail and the mizzen. Got the engine ticking over and we're going at 6 knots. It's a great way to get back into the season of sailing, seeing as we've had almost a month without having the sails up. Tomorrow we're going to do 12 hours to Mooloolaba from Scarborough. So I want to get a good night's rest and probably have to set off 5 or 6 AM. I haven't told Bree yet, but should be alright. looking forward to it really. There's 12 knots today. It is very pleasant in the bay. I'm sure it'll be a lot bigger waves when we get out into the ocean again, but I know fancy style to the ocean, so let's do it. What a great day. We've set off from Scarborough. We've got 45 miles to go to get to Mooloolaba. Wind is coming from 60 degrees. We're doing 7 knots. We will have to turn soon. We've got to get through all the shallows of Moreton Bay, and then we're just going to cruise up the coast, I think, today. Forecast for a lot of rain, and we haven't had any yet, so we're doing all right, I think. Nearly out of Moreton Bay now. Blowing 8 knots, we're doing 6, 5.5 through the water, 1 to 1.5 of current. Pretty easy, pretty nice. Fantastic sail today to Mooloolaba. We made it in, I think, 7 hours, averaging 7 knots over 45 miles. Just screaming. 20 knots of wind, no worries.